Hi everybody, welcome back to Yumi Hawaii. Today I will be doing a swatch and also demo tutorial on how I utilized this Mariale palette. So it's Too Faced. I got it from my friend Jay. Thank you so much, Jay, for Christmas. And this is my first time opening it up, swatching it. I'll be trying to do it 3 different ways. I'll swatch it dry, I'll swatch it with a brush, and then I'll swatch it with a wet brush. And I hope you guys enjoy. I really do like this palette so far, and then at the end I'll do a quick tutorial on how I did this eye makeup look. So now we are done with the swatches. Let's get to the eye look. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. First off, I'm going to be putting on eyeshadow primer. Next, I'll be taking the fluffy brush, and then I'm going to use it in Love Me as a base. And then I'm going to be taking Frenchie and putting it all over the lid. It's a nice light brown color, but it has a little bit of orangeness to it that I really like. All over the lids, and also just a little bit at the bottom there. And then afterward, kind of deepen up the color a little bit at the end. And Senorita is such a pretty mauve-y color that I had to use it. Okay, and then once again, a little bit at the bottom. And then going in with a smaller brush, I'm going to go ahead and dip it in a little bit of Hot and Spicy. Looks nice, and I'm just going to blend it out with a small pencil brush. I'm going to go ahead and dip it again into the Hot and Spicy. And then for the fun part, I'm going to take Donut with my finger, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it onto the inner middle center of my lids, and it applies so well with the finger, just because I do like that pop of color. Help us shine. Okay, and then I blend it out a bit with my other finger. Okay, and I'm going back in with my pencil brush, a little bit of this mauve color again. And then I'm gonna go in again, Donut, and then put it at the bottom. So that's mostly it for the eyeshadow. Very light, very simple. And then next up, I'm going to put on eyeliner and mascara. Again, just extend outwards and then fill it in like so. And then I stop about there. Okay, again, inner corner. Just gonna put a little bit on there. Okay, so back with the lashes, and then before I finish up the look, I know a lot of people may or may not do this, but I like to put a little bit of shadow into the aegyosal. So just smile and shadow it up a bit. And from preventing it from being too harsh, I'm going to blend it out a bit with a little blendy brush. And I think it makes a world of a difference for my eyes. Once I discovered aegyosal, I feel like my eyes got a lot bigger.
So thank you so much, guys. I hope you liked it. This is my first kind of real in-depth makeup tutorial sort of swatch thing. I wanted to try something different, and I wanted to keep memory of this wonderful palette, so I had to film this video. I hope you guys liked it. In the future, if you want me to do more of these videos, let me know. I know I did a really quick of how I did my eyeliner, but I can always go more in depth. I did my mascara off screen, but I can do one that's more in depth. Let me know if you ever tried this palette, or you're planning to get up this palette, because it is pretty dang awesome. But thank you so much, and I hope you